Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will walk you through sanity testing, that is an important topic of discussion from software testing point of view. So let's begin and understand what is sanity testing. Sanity testing is performed on the software to ensure that it works as expected after the bug fixes and changes made to the code. It is a subset of regression testing. In other words, a sanity testing determines whether the intended result of code change works correctly. For example, there was a bug identified in the registration page of the application where on clicking the registration button, an error message was thrown and application crashed. Once it is fixed, a sanity check would involve quickly checking that the registration functionality is working and user is able to register successfully. Sanity checks could also be performed on the environment, application, or configuration setup. For example, navigating to the URL of the web application or an API server to check that the application is up and stable. Similarly, a Hello World program is a sanity check for development environment. Instead of running the unit test, a simple Hello World program can be run, and if it fails, it proves that the environment has configuration or setup errors that needs to be fixed. What is the goal of sanity testing? The main objective of sanity testing is to check that the application is stable enough to proceed with further testing of the entire application. For example, in case of a banking application, a bug was fixed in the transaction window, which allowed user to withdraw amount more than there is available balance. In sanity check, the goal would be to check by performing basic transaction by entering withdrawal amount greater than the user's balance, and it should show a validation message there. Similarly, in case of an environment or configuration setup, the goal is to check that the respective environment is configured correctly to proceed with the further work. For example, when we install Java, we run a basic command to check Java version. It is a sanity check to ensure that Java is installed correctly on the machine. How is sanity testing conducted? The basic idea behind sanity testing is to get confidence in the build before testing other functional and non-functional tests. Sanity testing is conducted with narrow scope. Narrow scope meaning checking only the specific functionality, verifying the bug fix or configuration or environment related changes. Ad hoc testing. It is often performed on an ad hoc basis, meaning there is no formal test cases for sanity testing. It is rather an exploratory testing performed to check the basics quickly. Sanity testing is conducted with quick check at the basic level. That means a quick check at the basic level to verify for faster feedback before deeper testing. So before we run the full regression test, it is recommended to run a round of sanity testing just to verify that whatever changes we have pushed or the bug fixes that we have done is accordingly working as expected. So we can proceed further with the other test cases. I hope you got a good information regarding sanity testing from this video. Do like, subscribe, and share the knowledge with your circle. Thank you.